Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Students, I welcome you in the social class as we have finished our 20th lesson and we are going to learn 21st lesson, that is rights and duties. So, as we know about our India, that India is a democratic country where we can choose our representatives, and we are having a 3 different levels by which the government works. So here, as you know, that our lesson will be start with the story here. So the twins were busy making the monthly timetable for the family. So they are making the monthly timetable. So every month, each family members help with different jobs in the houses. So thus, while each perform on her duties, work as shared. So what they are saying that the twins are making the monthly timetable, that every member should help to each others in the house and they should perform their duties. Okay, so father smiled and said, even as citizens of India, we have some duties. Along with those, we also enjoy some rights. So duties, we are having some duties and we are having some rights also. That rights we will enjoy it. So constitution, what is constitution, students? Constitution is nothing but it is a set of rules. Constitution is a set of rules. See, when India won her independence from the British in 1947, when India won independence from the British in 1947, so the government needed a set of rules to run the country. So this explanation was given by the father to the twins, and just like there are rules in the homes also. So about who will do what, there has to be rules for the people of a country and so on. So some important leaders were chosen to put down a set of rules in a document called the Constitution. So we can define what they are saying, that we can define a constitution as a set of rules according to which the government governs a country. What is constitution, students? Constitution as a set of rules according to which the government governs a country. Okay, as per that rules only government governs the country, they rule the country. So mother was also listening to, added some important things even took place. So this important event took place on 26th January 1950. So that event was, we celebrated this day as a Republic Day every year. So then told them that our constitution is based on some major rules, guiding rules or principles. So what are that? See, the people who choose or elect their own leader will form the government. People will choose the leader, and that's why the government will form. So if people are choosing, that government is known as a democratic government. Okay, as you have read about in the previous chapter. Okay, now. So now all the people are equal, no matter by which religions they are following, whether they are rich or the poor. So this is the principle of socialism. Okay, and the next thing, the people are free to follow any religion or they can believe of their choice. So that is the principle of secularism. Okay, our country is a republic as it has a form of government in which the people elect or choose their leaders. So this is known as a democratic, socialist, secular republic. Democratic, socialist, secular republic country. Okay, students. So we will stop here. Continuation will be done in the next video. So read the lesson once. Thank you.